Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best options available for personal defense. The Taser X26C by M26C replacement cartridges. These cartridges are designed to provide a reliable and effective means of self-defense, combining advanced technology with ease of use. Let's start with what makes these cartridges stand out. They are specifically designed for the Taser X26C and M26C models, ensuring compatibility and optimal performance. Each pack includes 2 cartridges, equipped with probes, conductive wires, serialized tags, and nitrogen propulsion. These cartridges boast a range of up to 15 feet, allowing you to incapacitate an attacker from a safe distance. This range is crucial in ensuring your safety while maintaining effectiveness in potentially dangerous situations. The cartridges are designed with stun capabilities to further enhance your protection. Imagine having the peace of mind knowing you can defend yourself effectively without needing physical contact. The Taser X26C by M26C replacement cartridges provide exactly that. Whether you're concerned about personal safety or want to equip yourself with a reliable tool for law enforcement or security, these cartridges are a top choice. Let me demonstrate how easy it is to load and use these cartridges with your Taser device. Simply insert the cartridge until it clicks into place, ensuring a secure fit. Now you're ready to protect yourself with confidence. To wrap up, the Taser X26C by M26C replacement cartridges are a must-have for anyone serious about personal safety. Their range, effectiveness, and ease of use make them a standout choice in the market. Whether you're a civilian looking for reliable protection or a professional in need of a trustworthy tool, these cartridges deliver. Thank you for watching today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insightful reviews. Stay safe, and until next time, signing off.